This particular icon is a FJ40 built in the new school style. We started out with a fairly dilapidated old 1962 FJ40 as the foundations for this build. As with all Icon, we updated the chassis with our new coilover suspension design, which is built by Art Morrison. This is a current spec truck that was actually built for the European market, hence the traditional fender-mounted turn indicators and the conventional hella headlights as opposed to our production LED units. This truck also features the PIA HID off-road lights and the new Warren MOSFET controlled 9.5 winch. This is our new production bumper we're real happy with. It's a bit lighter than the traditional ARB bumper we had used and also provides for a better approach angle. We were able to redesign the chassis with the coil suspension to suck that bumper in about 3 inches closer than a leaf-sprung truck would have been. You'll see this truck has our sport brake option, which in the front consists of 15-inch rotors with T40-41 two-piece hats, 6-piston calipers, and then in the rear features a 14-inch rotor, still a two-piece design with a isolated parking brake caliper. This truck also has our sport suspension option, which is one of my favorites, which upgrades the Race Runner shocks to a 2.5-inch body, nitrogen charged with a remote canister, as well as limit straps that are 8-ply, which hold the physical weight of the axles in the case of a full airborne launch, and then hydraulic limiters that control the landing of the vehicle, and that last 5 degrees of down travel really tightens things up. You'll see in the back we've also equipped this truck with our power tank system, as well as the recovery kit, which is standard with our Warren winch, and an X-Jack, which is a great off-road utility jack. ARB locking differentials front and rear with a dedicated air compressor. All of our traditional dash finishes. This particular truck is built without seat heat with an Alpine unit with amplifier and XM. These are our new sport brakes. These are CNC'd out of aluminum. Got a great finish, really good traction surface. I already got these all dirty at the park, but nice detail, new option. This is probably our most popular color. This is the Rocky Mountain exterior surface color, and this is the new school style, which denotes that new front bumper, the Teflon coated wheels, and our new rear bumper, which is also a Class 2 tow bumper and has dual pivoting carriers. This truck has our insulated version of our soft top. All sides of the top are designed to roll quite easily in the scrolled position, or you can unzip them again and remove. Here you can see our Dynatrac Dana 60 rear axle with those sport brakes. And this is that new bumper I was telling you about. There's hidden storage compartments, as well as automatic limiters that stop the carriers from entering the traffic lanes, and you simply pull up on this pin to release the lock and close it again. The X-Jack that I'd mentioned earlier is really interesting. You hook it up to your tailpipe and it fills with exhaust to create a bladder which lifts the vehicle quite safely in various terrains. Inside of our hidden compartment within the tailgate is the toolkit and any provisions for X-Jack or other options you might have ordered. Really want to try and show off the chassis on Icon. This truck has a lot of our higher sport options. You'll notice the particulate trap there, which is part of our diesel package. That's a stainless steel coupler in the exhaust system. The exhaust is ceramic coated. The entire frame is 180 wall 2x4 mandrel bent with a powder coat finish that's mil spec 1. There are the hydraulic limiters I had mentioned earlier as well. Those control arms are 250 wall with 1-ton Johnny joints. Drive shafts are 3/4 ton with 1310 U joints, which are available worldwide. There's the Atlas II transfer case. And again, the Dana 60 shown from the front down low. Going up now, you can see how the exhaust routes through the triangulated forelink. Then up high, you'll notice the canisters for the nitrogen charged shocks that are part of the sport brake option, sport suspension option. Transfer flow design fuel system. It's a 19.8 gallons with a rollover check valve and in-tank fuel pump. Again, that's a European spec fog light in the rear. Turbo Diesel is made by International in their plant in Brazil, producing 276 pounds of torque at an average fuel efficiency rating in the mid-20s. These motors are biofuel compatible, very simple to work on with only one relay, serviceable water separator. Really nice, simple motors. We've been quite thrilled with them. There's the remote canister for the power steering system by Tom Lee. Of course, it has air conditioning. You see the custom intercooler as well here. This new winch by Warren we chose because it's so low profile but still quite heavy duty. It's the highest technology winch that they currently offer. I chose not to use their air compressor equipped winches because there are better compressors available already. So we really try and leave no stone unturned. The fit and finish of the interior is complemented by the fit and finish of the chassis in areas you might never see. On the inside, this truck has the new XM satellite option, which is, as you see there, a removable module that you can take with you to other audio units in your life. You see the Chilowich textile options, which also includes the rubber-backed Chilowich floor mats. This truck also has our standard 2-passenger forward-facing tuck and tumble or remove rear seat with 3-point belts. I hope with Icon our pride is evident in our work.